Hi, have you or your loved ones been injured in a Brenham truck accident? Well, my name is attorney Reshard Alexander, the Big Rig Bull Texas truck accident lawyer. I help injury victims receive the care and compensation they deserve when they've been injured by the negligent driving of truck drivers or the faulty operations of motor carrier companies. If you've been injured in a truck wreck, give me a call at 713-766-3322. That's 713-766-3322. Additionally, if you've been injured in a truck accident, you can give me a call toll-free at 1-800-688-7551. That's 1-800-688-7551. Go to my website, Houston Truck Accident Lawyer. That's HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer. Pick up your free ebook titled Texas Car, Motorcycle, and Truck Accident Law, What the Injured Must Know. I wrote this with you in mind. So go to my website, HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer. Pick up your free ebook there. Give me a call at 713-766-3322, and let's discuss your truck accident case today. As always, I hope you and yours have a blessed day.